Okay, now how are we going to start our configuration? SPRO will set up an automotive company. I guess the server is again in a hanging mode. SPRO. The first, we will set up the company through these nodes. Company code, edit company code data, new entries, IAP9. City is Dubai, is located in Dubai, the company, and its operations are based out of Dubai. The currency of reporting will be AED. IAP9, IAP9, AE. Okay. IAP9, F5. Come on. Okay. So saved. Next is we are creating business segments. So we will have two segments. One will be passenger vehicles. The other one will be SUVs. IAP9 passenger vehicle. IAP9 SUVs. Is it done? Segments, company code and segment has been created. Next step is financial accounting, global setting, fields, field status variants. Some are standard. Now, what are field status variants? We'll discuss this when we enter into the user end interface. Okay, so we will actually let me nine. N9 FS, N9 FS. Okay, we'll use this for as a template. Okay. Why we are using this, I'll tell you later. IAP9, L9 FS. Okay. Next is Assign company code to fiscal year variant. What is your fiscal year? Because this is Dubai, so it will be January to December, IFP 9, K4, and it will be January to December. In countries in South Asia like India, Pakistan, it is July to June, right? Ours will be January, December. So first period will be January. Year end will be December. Posting periods now, the same posting periods. Now, which period is open or close? We'll see that. Okay. Nine. And I will use AA42. This is a template that we have already created. And what periods are open? Let's see that. Open and close. Posting periods. AA42. Continue. And this is basically the periods that are open right now. 4. Okay, now for assets, customers, vendors, materials, and GL range starting from nothing to the end of the range. The period 1, which is January, because our fiscal year starts from January. Period 1 to 12 is open for posting for general entries. 13 and 16 are open for adjustments like depreciation, tax, withholding tax, liabilities, retained earnings. Okay. Save. Save. Next is define settings for ledger and currency types. Important area. Leading ledger, only one leading ledger. Main ledger is available, which leads the others across the SAP landscape. The other are followers. Standard and extension are two types. Standard can have its own entries. Extension is just a copy, transparent copy of the standard ledger. So company code settings. IFP 9. Global currency, local currency, predefined currency. We'll see into this. Double click. Posting period variant. Gap is accounting principle. Function currency is 10. Parallel accounting using GL accounts. Okay. This is company code currency, and 1 is company code currency, and 0 is valuation. Now, there are 3 types of valuation: legal, profit center, and group. Save. Now, since we have dirham, we want GBP also. Currency conversion settings. New entries. IFP 9. Y1. Currency GBP. GBP, the source currency 00. I'll explain what is 00, what is Y1. M Translation date will be posting date, the day document is posted. So every document that will be posted will get converted from any currency to GBP as well under this currency type. Enter. So it will take document currency, which can be any currency, and convert it to GBP for reporting. So where do we get this Y1? From currency types. So we have Y1 over here, reporting currency, legal valuation, group, profit center. Legal is 0, group is 1, profit center is 2, and segmentation valuation 3. How do we know this? Because this is how it is set in SAP. If you look at this, company code currency, legal valuation. So company code currency is 1, 0 is legal. 1 is company code currency, and group valuation is 1. Profit center valuation 2. 2 is controlling area currency and 0 is legal valuation. Okay. Group currency is 3. Valuation, group valuation is 1, so it is 31. So we can use these currency types also. We go to company code settings. And we add Y1 here. Okay. Now comes financial accounting, general ledger accounting, master data, preparations, edit chart of accounts list, L9CA. This is our template. Okay. Entries, IAP 9. Chart of accounts, English, length, save, assign. IAP 9, IAP 9. Account group, L9CA, control Y, copy, new entries, IAP 9, control line, oh, L9CA, Control Y, copy, new entries, EFP9, Control 9, Control Y, enter, save, define retained earnings account, L9 CA, 100, 100, okay, IFP9, 100, 100, okay, we can define multiple for multiple company codes as well, okay, save. I hope this is clear for today.